Start with a 1/4 cup of butter. Get that nice and melted in there. You got that melted, we're gonna throw in a 1/4 cup of flour in there and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Get that stirred together. While it's on low heat, we're gonna pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. What we're making right now is our cheese sauce for the scalloped potatoes. And then we're gonna pour in 2 cups of milk. We're gonna whisk that together. You wanna constantly be whisking it. Also, while you're in the whisking process, go ahead and salt and pepper your mixture a little bit. A little salt, a little pepper. And just keep whisking till it gets nice and smooth. Okay, now that we got that mixed nice and smooth, we're gonna add in our cheese. So I shredded up 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You're gonna wanna just stir that together until the cheese is nice and melted. All right, now that we got the sauce done, we're gonna put half of our potatoes. I cut them into little 1/8-inch circles. We're gonna put half of them on the bottom of our greased 9x13 baking dish. I have a nifty little device that cuts them into nice little circles. We're gonna pour half of it over this first layer. All right. And now that we got that, we're gonna put in the other half of the potatoes. Just dump that in there, get it nice and spread around. This is one of the top ones y'all voted for, and I'm glad you did, because I'm excited to try this when it comes out. So we're gonna take the other half of that cheese sauce and just pour it over the top. See how the bottom is like more clumpy because you got more of the melted cheese on top. That's why you want to have that bottom layer on the top of here. And we don't be wasting in this house, so make sure you get your spatula. Get that little bit of cheese sauce out of there. So once you have your second layer on there, second layer of potatoes, second layer of cheese sauce, you're gonna take your 9x13 and you're gonna put it in your oven that's preheated to 350. And you want it to stay in there for 55 to 70 minutes. So just keep it, once it gets to 55 minutes, keep an eye on it. All right, y'all, once you have it in there for about an hour, you're gonna wanna hit broil. Let it broil for just 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes, and then you need to pull it out. All right, y'all, now that you've had it broiling for 3 minutes, you wanna take that baby out. Oh yeah. See, that's how we got that nice golden brown on top. Thing is bubbling. Perfect. Looks good. Okay, we gotta try this. Oh, this is gonna be the perfect side dish this holiday season. Oh yeah, cutting through real nice. Nice and soft, baby. Mmm. Y'all gotta try this for real. This would be like a perfect side dish for your Thanksgiving, your Christmas, whatever it may be. Give it a try.